In this video, you will learn about 20 common action verbs, activities with examples. Listen and practice it to boost your English. Run. He runs 5 miles every day. They run a marathon twice a year.
Read.
She reads a book before bedtime. She reads a book before bedtime. He reads the newspaper every morning. Eat. They eat dinner at 7 p.m. every day. She eats a sandwich for lunch. She eats a sandwich for lunch. Write. He writes a letter to his friend. She writes notes in her notebook during class. Speak. They speak English fluently. He speaks with his grandparents on the phone. Dance. She dances ballet in the studio. She dances ballet in the studio. They dance at weddings for fun. Sleep. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. She sleeps on the comfortable bed. Sing. She sings a song in the shower. They sing karaoke at parties.
Jump. He jumps over a puddle. He jumps over a puddle. The kids jump rope in the playground. The kids jump rope in the playground. Swim. She swims laps in the pool. They swim in the ocean during summer vacations. Play. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. She plays piano for her family. She plays piano for her family. Draw. He draw a picture of his pet. He draw a picture of his pet. She draws with colored pencils. She draws with colored pencils. Cook. They cook dinner together as a family. They cook dinner together as a family. She cooks pasta for lunch. She cooks pasta for lunch. Talk. They talk on the phone for hours. They talk on the phone for hours. He talks to his neighbor over the fence. Drive. She drives to work every morning. She drives to work every morning. He drives a car to the grocery store. Clean. She cleans her room every Saturday. She cleans her room every Saturday. They clean the kitchen after dinner. They clean the kitchen after dinner. Listen. Listen. He listens to music while studying. He listens to music while studying. She listens to her teacher in class. She listens to her teacher in class. Work. Work. He works in an office downtown. He works in an office downtown. They work on a farm during the summer. They work on a farm during the summer. Exercise. She exercises at the gym 3 times a week. He exercises by jogging in the park. Thanks for watching.